One, two, three, funky.
What is this thing called again? Oh, okay. Might be stupid, but must bag. Panty liner, just in case, you know, every girl has to have that in the bag. Sobra legit lang ka-ROI ni nga mga bag. Today, my package arrived. This is my early birthday present from me, because, you know, I don't really splash out on a lot of things, but yeah, since it's gonna be my birthday, it's gonna be like my birthday / Christmas gift to myself, because wala na ko kwarta, you know, name. But yeah, I'll unbox this with you guys. So let's do this. Oh my god. So this is only one thing. Oh my god. That's what's in the box. And this is ta-ta-ta. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I got myself this bag. I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, I want that bag. Ah! Oh my god. I'm so happy with this bag. Oh, okay, the lighting just went really bad, but so that's what it looks like. Can you guys see it properly? That's what it looks like, and there's the Coach logo there, and it has like golden hardware, if you can see, and this has this. So it has a handle up top, and you can actually take this off. It can turn into like a sling bag as well. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna take, it's like attached to it. I'm just gonna take it off so you guys can see properly. So I took the sling, and this is what the sling looks like, and it's just like a typical black leather material with the gold hardware there. So to the bag, so cute. It kind of looks like a lunchbox to me, but like a very expensive lunchbox, you know. And yeah, I don't want to take this wrapping around yet because I'm not going to use it yet, but yeah. So just the outside, there is like a Coach. Oh my god, why isn't it focusing? But anyways, there's like a Coach, whatever you think this. What is this thing called again? Like these days, I have like so many mind blanks. But this bitay thing. So this is that. And so you can see there's a zipper here that opens the back and at the front, and at the very back there is like a pocket that you can put like paper or whatever you want to put back there. So obviously there is paper there, but oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm just gonna take this paper thing out. 1, 2. Oh, okay. Okay guys, so I thought this was just like one compartment, but it's actually 2 separate ones. Might be stupid for that, but anyways, I'll show you guys this first one. So the front compartment, it just has like, you know, it's just one. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's just one big compartment. The back one though has this compartment here for like cards. The back part has this little card thing in it, and it just says, a little TLC goes a long way to care for your product. Avoid heat and moisture. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth. But oh my god, I'm so happy I have this. So this cost me like a few $100s, guys. It was on sale, that's why I bought it. I don't usually splash out on like stuff, any stuff, especially bags, but for my birthday I do kinda. Last year I didn't buy myself anything for my birthday, but 2019 I bought myself 2 bags from Oroton. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that brand. It is an Australian brand, and I'll show you guys what I got in 2019. I tried to do a video with this, but I looked at the video and I was like, this is kind of crap, so I didn't post it. But I'll show you guys what they are now. So this is the first bag I got from Oroton, and it's just like a clutch bag, you know. It's just like an orangey brown leather, and yeah, I don't use this bag as much as I use the other one, and it has like pockets here, and yeah, this is more like my going out bag. And the second bag, which I always use, like almost every day, every time I go out, you're gonna see me like wear this bag. This bag, this is just like a, you know, must-have black bag in your closet, and this is just like a crocodile design on the leather, and yeah, so you can wear it this way and as like a sling bag as well, which is why I always like wearing this one. But at the front, this one also has gold hardware. I just realized that all of my bags have gold hardware, but that's what the front looks like, and that's what the back looks like. It has this pocket here again, and when you open it up, there's a pocket. That's where I put my coins, if you guys can hear the coins in there. But yeah, and there's just stuff in there. I'll show you what's inside, because this is what I use every time I go out. And there's a panty liner, just in case, you know, every girl has to have that in the bag. Some tissues that's running out, my keys, my house keys, and a pen, and some cards which I don't really want to show. So I actually didn't realize, guys, that I would like bags this much. I only have like a handful of bags, and I realized that I would rather spend like quite a bit of money on bags. I don't like it when bags go like, not like the hardware goes weird or whatever, because I bought like this cheap bag as for like an everyday bag, and the gold parts on it, it's just a fake bag. The gold parts went like a black color, just a weird color, and I don't want to wear it anymore, so I used it once and that was it. Okay guys, I had to pause the video because Ian woke up and he started crying. So these bags actually are, for me, quite expensive. I don't want to buy like bags that are more expensive because, you know, I'm not rich. I can't really afford any of the more expensive bags. But to me, these are really good quality already. This bag, guys, sobrang na ka-ROI ni nga mga bag ka. I use it so often nga. And then it's still like in perfect condition. Like if there's any scratches, you can't really see it because it's like that durable leather. Though I haven't cleaned this because I don't know, I don't want to like damage the leather. So make sure you guys like message me any suggestions on how to clean leather. I'm so sorry guys if I didn't describe the bags properly because I'm not really an expert at handbags or bags in general, so I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, so my sister and I are here, and my sister wants to buy herself the same one. But that's a no for me because I don't like it when we're matching. I mean, I find if we have the same stuff, but I don't like it when we wear the same things at the same time. Because obvious, diba, nga sister me? Wow. Karon pa ko nakahinumdum unsay tawag ani? Keychain.
Bum, bum, bum.
It's been bothering me this whole time.
I just in here.
Oh, yeah, yan. Bim, 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 bim.
Why are you in that position?